Hello, everybody. Welcome to another lesson in microeconomics. Today, we're talking about the marginal rate of transformation. Basically, this is the slope of the production possibility frontier. Okay, so always remember it is the slope of the production possibility frontier, and it's always an absolute value. Why? Because when you're subtracting the changes in y and or x, sometimes you might get negative. All right, but that doesn't matter. That's why you usually see the absolute value sign attached to it. So the marginal rate of transformation is basically the ratio of goods given up to the goods gained. Remember, the good whenever you give up something, when you make a choice, that's your opportunity cost. All right. So basically, the goods given up, that's the opportunity cost, right? And the marginal rate of transformation is the ratio of goods given up to goods gained. So let's look at this table here of different combinations of goods, good X and good Y, right? So let's calculate the marginal rate of transformation, right? So basically how we're moving on the graph is from point A to point E, all right? So we're going to be giving up we're going to be giving up good Y in order to produce more of good X. That's the concept here. So from point A to point B, all right, we give up, from point A to point B. So I'm going to just divide it like this, right? We give up one of good Y, all right, one of good Y and one of good X, right? As you can see. So basically the ratio is 1 to 1. Okay, as you can see, 15 minus 4, that's 1. 0 minus 1, that's -1. So we're dealing with absolute values. So we'll just write it as 1, right? From point B to point C, 14 minus 11 that's 3. So we're giving up 3 units of good Y to produce one more unit of good X. So the ratio is 3 to 1. Okay. From point C to D, all right, 11 minus 7, that's 4. So we're giving up 4 units of good Y. So we'll put 4 here. 4 units of good Y, right? 2 minus 3, that's -1. But again, we're dealing with absolute values. So giving up 1 unit of good. We're gaining 1 more unit of good X, right? The X represents we're gaining in terms of X, but in Y we are giving up. Then 7 minus 0 from point D to point A, that's 7 minus 0, that's 7. So we're giving up 7 units of good Y to gain 1 more unit of good X. 7 units of good Y to get 1 more unit of good X. So as you can see, as we're moving down the slope, we have an increasing marginal rate of transformation. Okay, at first we gave up 1 unit of good Y, then we gave up 3 units, then 4 units, then 7 units. So that's an increasing marginal rate of transformation, and an increasing marginal rate of transformation equates to an increasing opportunity cost. Okay, so I'll write that down. Increasing marginal rate of transformation equals to an increasing opportunity cost. Okay. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.